Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox in Turkey mobile. So if you cannot play Roblox in Turkey on your mobile, here's how to access it easily using NordVPN. Our discount link is in the description. And don't forget, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a special discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Roblox may be blocked in some regions. With NordVPN, you can change your device's virtual location to another country where Roblox works, giving you full access to the game. So step 1, download and open the NordVPN app on your mobile. Step 2, log in. Step 3, tap Quick Connect or select the country where Roblox is available. Step 4, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Step 5, you can now play Roblox on your mobile without any restrictions. If Roblox still doesn't load, try switching to another server in the same country or restart the app. NordVPN works across multiple devices, so you can also play on tablet or PC with the same account. Get NordVPN using our link in the description. As partners, we offer an exclusive discount when you sign up. That link is always in the description. Start playing Roblox in Turkey today. Connect with NordVPN instantly. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.